Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service list on your Wix website. So first, you may want to head over to Wix and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, we're just going to start by editing our site. And to do that, we're just going to click on Edit Site. This will redirect us to our Wix page. So depending on the design of your website, select in which area do you want to add your service list. So in my case, I'm just going to remove this part. Then next in the left panel, click on add elements. And say for example, we are offering booking services. So from here, we're just going to pick bookings, then proceed by adding this to our site. In the left panel, you can see guidelines and steps on how you can set up your service list. You can start by clicking on Create Service. So you can choose from the options or you can also search for services. Then once everything is done, you can now proceed with the design or how your service list will look like on your website. You can change the service name, price, titles, and more. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!